In my presentation, I will start off with an introduction to the AI memory wall, which is basically the challenge of balancing the compute bandwidth versus the memory bandwidth, which is a very important challenge because with the advent of LLM and transformer models, the memory bandwidth is getting more critical. A few years ago, everyone was still doing CNN, which is mostly based on matrix multiplications. And for CNN, there's good data reuse. But with the advent of transformers and LLM, there's also matrix vector multiplications, which have less data reuse. And so the memory bandwidth challenge is becoming more relevant. Oh. Before I go into the deep of the presentation, first some terminology. Of course, data types are related to quantization. And quantization is both applicable to the compute data type, so the integers and floating points, but it's also relevant for compression, where we try to compress the external memory bandwidth and exploit external memory bandwidth to the max.